Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to remove private browsing in Safari. Let's get started. First, open the Safari app on your iPhone or iPad. If you're currently in private browsing, you'll notice the background is dark. To exit private browsing, tap the tab button. In the bottom right corner, it looks like two overlapping squares. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see the option that says private highlighted. Then tap on it and then select tabs or start page instead. Now you'll switch back to normal browsing mode and Safari will no longer be in the private browsing. If you want to completely remove access to private browsing, you can do that through screen time settings. Go to settings, screen time, content and privacy restrictions. Then tap the restrictions, web content and choose limit adult website. This will automatically disable the option for private browsing in Safari. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.